Rote memorization is discouraged in chemistry because it teaches specific steps for specific problems instead of helping you understand underlying concepts, so when a problem changes slightly, you cannot adapt and you fail to solve it. Think of chemistry like learning how to ride a bike instead of memorizing a single trick. If you only memorize that to turn left you lean one way and apply pressure in a certain way, then a different bike or a windy day will leave you confused. Understanding balance, steering, and speed lets you adjust. Chemistry problems often mix ideas like mole calculations, chemical reactions, and energy changes, and understanding why atoms behave a certain way lets you combine those ideas to solve new problems. When you grasp the rules and relationships, you can change steps, test which idea applies, and still get to the right answer. Practice with varied problems and focus on concepts, not just steps, so your brain learns flexible strategies. Students often try to memorize long lists of reactions or procedures and then cannot recognize when a problem is a variation of a concept, so practice identifying patterns and explain reactions in your own words to fix that. Another common mistake is relying on one worked example without testing other cases, so intentionally solve altered problems and ask why each step works to build deeper understanding. Some learners skip the math or units and only learn words, and that makes precise calculations fail, so always work through the numbers and check units to catch errors. Visit www.gumballdegree.com to find more videos and resources that help you move from memorizing to understanding chemistry.